Hey, what is up guys, welcome back to the Phono guys. So the upcoming Samsung Galaxy Tab A7 the 2020 is launch confirmed, officially support page goes live. The Samsung Galaxy Tab A7 2020 Indian launch might not be too far from now, as the official support page for the tablet has already been made live in the country. Samsung recently unveiled Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 2020 tablet. In the global market, the Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 2020 has a 10.4-inch display, an octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 662 processor, and a large 7040 mAh battery as a part of its specification and feature. After the global launch, we were expecting that the brand would break the news surrounding the launch of the Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 2020 in India, but that has not happening up until now. Well, we have found out enough evidence which point out the fact that the Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 2020 might soon launch in India. The official support page for the Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 2020 has already been made it live, which hints an imminent launch. Take it look, as you can see in this screen. As seen, these images, the support page for the Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 2020 SMT505 and SMT500 has already been made live on the company official website. Samsung, the first model number SMT505 is the only for the Wi-Fi only variant for the tablet, while the latter is the LTE variant. This also get confirmed with the firmware build for a both variant, which also belong to the Indian region. By the way, as you can see, these screenshot of firmware for the Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 2020 Wi-Fi only and LTE variant for your reference. As you can see, this is the firmware SMT505 of the Galaxy Tab S7 LTE. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 2020 feature 10.4-inch TFT panel with resolution 2000 by 1200 pixel. The device come equipped with the octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 662 processor, which paired with a 3 gigs of RAM, 32 and 64 gigs of storage. Internal storage has scoped for further expansion by up to 1 terabyte. External micro SD card. To learn more about the specification of the Samsung Galaxy Tab S7, you can head out to the Galaxy Tab S7 official landing page of the Samsung. For now, we are not internally sure to when the Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 2020 will launch in India, but since it has already been made live on the company support page official website of the Samsung, we can expect that launch to happen anytime soon. So actually, this is a great tablet for a PUBG lover or Fortnite lover. You can play a smoothly game on this tablet. Let me know in the comment section, are you like this new tablet of Samsung? And make sure to like this video and subscribe my channel for more tech videos. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out and bye.